The RBC6000DL Plasma Cutter is equipped with a non-touch pilot arc technology that allows it to cut through rough, painted, or rusty surfaces with minimal slag. Thanks to its IGBT inverter technology, this plasma cutter provides a powerful cutting experience with a maximum clean cut of 5/8 of an inch and a severance cut of 4/5 of an inch. This versatile machine supports dual voltage, making it adaptable for both home and industrial use with a simple conversion cord included for easy switching between 120 volts and 240 volts. Designed for user convenience, the RBC6000DL is quick to assemble, requiring only 30 seconds to set up using the pre-installed air-quick couplings. Weighing just 8.2 pounds, this plasma cutter is highly portable and can be easily stored or transported, making it ideal for cutting various metals including stainless steel, alloy steel, and aluminum. The package includes essential components such as a plasma cutting torch, ground clamp cable, and extra consumables, ensuring you have everything needed for efficient operation.